real funny lately. A lot more violent. Yeah, I heard the stories. Probably just stressed.
I need to find the next comm station. Then I'll be able to triangulate Penguin's position.
Maybe. I don't know. Well then, what do you think it is? Running a criminal empire ain't easy. Maybe he's starting to crack. And maybe we should change the subject. Wrong person eases. We'll both be in the river. Word is some of Penguin's guys are in the neighborhood. We're all supposed to be looking for them. All the nights the boys got a crap. Maybe it's all a misunderstanding. Like they got lost or something. Or came to visit friends. How often does it turn out to be a misunderstanding? We allowed to pop them if we see them? Nah, boss wants them alive. Probably so he can do the honors. I got more class in my little finger than Penguin's got his entire outfit. Guy's a scumbag gun runner. So what?
I need to find the walkie-talkie and hack its SIM card in order to find Penguin.
Alright everyone, listen up. I know I ought to cancel our annual boiler deck fights after what happened tonight at Jezebel Plaza. But just
There
to
you
show you
are,
what a nice
on
guy
board the
I
final
am,
offer.
the fights are still on. So get yourself down to the ship right now if you want in on this. I'll make myself clear. Good.
Penguin's been hiding out on an old ship. No wonder he's been so hard to find.
I got multiple calls available. Sending them out in priority order.
Penguin's got snipers out. I'll have to take the snipers down silently to proceed.
The freaking machine. I'm not dumb enough to think we can take him out. Maybe we should reconsider the job options. Whoa. I wouldn't go that far. As long as we play smart, don't draw any attention to ourselves, we should be okay. I hope you're right.
Hey! Someone's freaking out! Move! Go, go! Sure I saw something. He's taking us out one at a time! Over there. He has to be over that way. Ah! That's 2 grenades! He's either dead or... well, hopefully he's dead. Stay clear! Gonna blow him to hell! Stop the loot there. He wins. Now get out there and find him. This ain't fair. This isn't...
Batman?
Looks like someone brought a bat to a knife fight. You forget about me?
Welcome, welcome. Boiler deck fights. You know I always get a little fight first round long. That's why I keep you boys around. Well, that and I need someone to clean up the pisser. Oh, and don't think I didn't notice those of you who didn't bet on yourselves. You're either cheap or lacking confidence. Neither are desirable qualities. I'll sort out you lot after the turn.
Guys,
But let's get started.
I must find any buyers.
Action!
Penguin is hosting some kind of fighting tournament. That's where I need to go.
Fine! Let's see how well you do against the gods! Show this freak who you're messing with! I've had it! Incoming! There's guns over here!
Beth was right. These drones are the same as the one I found at Blackgate.
All available air support to aft deck 4. Engine room starting to flood. Needs to be pumped out. On so.
Serious? I thought he was like a urban Mick. Oh, he's real enough. Just ask Mickey. Mickey? You know, Lefty. Lefty? Oh, Lefty. That guy! I can't believe this guy!
Kick him in here! Alright, lads. The rest of you losers to be are gonna have to embarrass yourselves without me. God knows you can do it. I've got some business to take care of in the office, and I don't want to be disturbed. Tracy will be running the fights till I get back.
Sounds like Penguin will be in his office. Tracy should know where that is. I'll make her talk.
Now there's a naughty geezer. Proper naughty. And he deserves a right proper welcome, don't he, lads?
You just saved me a lot of trouble coming here, Batman. I'm gonna kill you. Then I'm gonna jumpstart your heart. And kill you again.
I'm looking for Black Mask. Where is he?
I ain't here to talk. I'm here to kick your ass.
This is your last chance.
You about for Victoria less than you pay.
Who wants to show me where the Penguin is?
Alright, you lousy mugs. Time to earn your supper.
Who is this guy?
However much that hurts, you'll learn more if he gets to Mr.
Quickly.
Drop this people!
He's here looking for
it's a real shame you're dead. You're actually worth more alive.
Alright, you lousy mugs. Time to earn your supper. Any of you don't want a piece of what I want? Get down there and sort him out.
I hit you, so you hit the floor!
You lot aren't hearing. Boys! Fighting like this is giving Cobblepot a bad name. He's trying to get to your boss, boys. You gonna let him?
Treat for me!
You don't have that off him? Did your mother teach you to fight like that?
Give it to me!
Boy, you geese are a sorry lot.
Break his face!
Bugger it all. You lads sure are a disappointment. To the casino then? Someone's got to Cobblepot what's coming his way.
Where's Cobblepot?
I ain't telling you, Jack.
A little more pressure and I'll crush your larynx. What's it going to be?
All right, all right. He's in his office. Only way in is through the theater, on the other side of the casino. But you'll never get past Tracy.
Tracy is not a problem. That worked better than the last interrogation. Someone as paranoid as Black Mask wouldn't trust a loudmouth like him with any secrets. If I want to find Sionis, I need to find Penguin first. This idiot doesn't know anything. My best bet for finding Black Mask lies with Penguin. Penguin will know where I can find Black Mask. Electrocutioner won't have any reliable information.
If Mr. Cobblepot finishes with his guest and finds out you numpty brats let the Batman spoil his boiler deck fight, what do you think he's gonna do to you lot? Think about it, lads.
Can't say I'll miss the first bucket. What do you think he'll call it? Final offer 2? Call it that. Final offer's the final offer. And if you find and then you can't make another one. Good point. Well, maybe a new name's good luck. We could use it. Especially for that. Not here. Not now! Please! Do what they ever do to you!
Alright, you lousy mugs. We're on full alert. I want updates, updates, updates. Anyone seen the intruder? Is he still even on the ship? This is serious.
the worst, she says. An intruder on board, she says.
Yeah, when was the last time we had an intruder on this ship?
Yeah, who'd think to break into this heat?
All part of Penguin's plan, I'm sure. Question is, can Tracy stop him before he gets to the boss?
I ain't that worried about it. Tracy, she knows what she's doing.
She's tough, ain't she? Ooh, on everything but the ice.
Kid, that's really him!
Season's greetings, you...
Where'd this guy come from?
This is the worst!
Oi! I got a message for the Batman. From your mate, the electrocutioner. Back on his feet he is, and he says you may have won this round, but the fight is far from over. He'll be back for you, Batman. Watch your heart.
Baczynski's come to, and now he's on the lam. I should have tied him up and called the cops to get him. Alfred, I had a run-in with one of the assassins, Lester Baczynski.
The electrocutioner. Are you all right?
Yes, but he managed to escape. His gloves put out a strong electromagnetic pulse. If you can isolate the signal, I'll be able to track him down.
I'll get to work on that. Where are you off to now?
I'm on my way to the Final Offers casino. I'm going to make Penguin's assistant show me to her boss. The casino. Penguin's assistant must be nearby. I'll make her tell me where I can find Cobblepot's office.
This your passcard?
It must be Vince. He's always forgetting stuff.
Should I go bring it to him?
You serious? We gotta move this cash before the bat gets here.
Right.
Aren't you a persistent pain in my bottle? Mr. Cobblepot ain't taking new visitors, and there ain't no way I'm letting you into the theatre to see him, so you can be on your merry way. Show him the door, lad.
Ain't no assistance!
Cobblepot finds out he's come this far, we're all done for! Take him down! You let him get to Cobblepot, you're through! You do understand that, right? You're not aiming to see Christmas morning. Kill him! Come on, lad. Impress him now.
Watch him! Watch him!
Fight like a bunch of old biddies. Take his head.
Cobblepot's office is connected to the theater, and the entrance is controlled from that security room.
Nothing. I just told her I was working for Smithy, and there weren't a damn thing she could do about it.
Like that, huh?
Yeah, like that. And when she's making enough, she can tell me what to do.
Yeah, you're right. Can't let him get the upper hand.
That's what my dad always said. Of course, Mom would slap him right after. That's true.
Let's kill this son of a bitch!
Where is he? See? I told you. Nothing to worry about.
Fight fair, damn you!
You're out of control! What do you even want?
It's on the other side of the theater. You know what that means?
Yeah, means someone's getting hurt. But we got serious issues out here.
Come on, Freddy. You got a whole boat full of flowers. What about that secretary? He's a nasty one. He'll be fine. Not some naughty. And he's mopping the floor without making him writing. I don't know. Just handle it, sister. He's calling me back in.
Oh, now I'm really deep in it. Candy! She's earned herself a dry slap, she has.
That better be lip gloss you're reaching for.
Come on, let me out! This ain't funny! I knew you didn't have what it takes to fight me fair! Cobblepot ain't gonna be happy when he hears about this! I knew you didn't have what it takes to fight me fair!
Hello, son. You know you ain't welcome here. And you know what we do to trespassers? Well, you're about to find out, ain't you?
Just got them! Give it to him!
Oh, yeah! You're a look nice on me mantle. Find him in the dark! You're about to lose your head! Precision strike. I'll rip your arm! Sockets! Boys, get him out of here. And don't ding up any of the gear. That's worth some money.
You can't do this! Moving, Graham! Come on! Enough's enough! Open her up and let me out!
Hello, son. You know you ain't welcome here, and you know what we do to trespassers. Well, you're about to find out. Oi!
Come on.
Who is this guy?
Decision strike.
someone!
Damn it, where the hell is it?
Hey, what's wrong with you? Hello?
Where'd this stuff come from? I'm blind!
I'm okay. Just smoked out.
Watch it, buddy!
I'm on edge, man. Don't sneak up on me like that.
I'll take this boy's head off! Let go of me!
What do you want? I didn't do nothing.
Who's your boss? What does Penguin want with him?
Alberto Falcone, but I got no idea what Penguin wants with him, I swear. I don't know what your game is, but old man Falcone will be in your debt if you take Cobblepot down. He's right through that door back there.
No thanks. I don't need the Falcones in my debt.
Mr. Falcone's gonna kill me if I don't get Alberto home alive. Mr. Falcone's gonna kill me if I don't get Alberto home alive.
Now, where were we? Candy?
You suggested little Alberto over here. Hey, baby. Tried to convince his father to take early retirement. He disagreed and called you a, let's see, psychotic little bastard.
No, 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 please!
Now you best listen, Falcone. 'Cause this is the last time I'll ask. What are you gonna tell your father?
That we're getting out of the weapons business. I promise. I'll make him do it.
I see your lips flapping, Bernie. But they ain't making the sound I want to hear. Uh-oh. You idiot!
Quickly. Please! Don't hurt me! Come on, come on!
Don't stand there! Kill him!
Gang up on him!
Kick his arse, you numpty brats! Punch him in the face! What are you waiting for? Come on! Remind me... Now, hold on. Hold on a bloody minute! I seen your act! I ain't done nothing you not done!
Black Mask, put a bounty on my head. Where is he?
I don't keep tabs on every geezer with a grudge. You're not a popular bloke in this town.
You're running out of time.
Wait. Lacey Towers. There was a murder. It was supposed to be his safe house. Or Black Mask. He's got problems of his own, I'd say. Someone broke in there.
It appears the game is over before it even begins.
I'm not playing games, Slade. Tell me where I can find Black Mask.
I expect you'll be worth every penny of that 50 million. You thought that would... You'll regret that!
It's over, Slade. What are you?
Nice seeing you, Batman. Feel free to let yourself out.
I can't let Penguin get away. There's more I need to ask him. I can use Deathstroke's device to get up to the balcony. I can use the new tool I took from Deathstroke to grapple out of here. I should use the device I took from Deathstroke to grapple out of here.
You'll have more luck getting into a nun's skivvies than getting into this room. Go on then, beat it a bit harder. Really make me feel it. Well, as you can see, I got the answer. Have a Merry Christmas, and piss off.
There's no way I can get to Penguin now. My only option is to head for Lacey Towers and investigate the murder he mentioned. Alfred, see if you can find any information on a murder at Lacey Towers.
Looks like the police are on the scene now, sir. Oh, and this is interesting. They're saying Black Mask is the victim.
Black Mask dead. I'm on my way there now. The remote claw I took from Deathstroke could be useful here. Alfred, get GCPD to take a look at the final offer. More to Dixon Docks. They'll find Slade Wilson tied up and waiting for them, along with some of Penguin's illegally obtained weapons.
Another anonymous tip? Will do, sir.
Oppressed citizens of Gotham, your cries for help have been heard. I am Anarchy, voice of the people, here to save you from the plague of corruption that now infests this once proud city. Those hired and elected to keep us free and safe won't lift a finger. And why would they? They've been bought and paid for, encouraged to turn a blind eye. If they won't act, I will. At dawn's first light, the sources of Gotham's ruin will be destroyed. Now, back to your regularly scheduled programming of propaganda and consumerist garbage.
As if there isn't enough going on tonight.